heart of a peaceful Yoruba village. Clear houses with thatched roofs, palm trees and red dusty road set the atmosphere. Villagers move about in agbada, iro and buba, carrying water, cooking, pounding yam. At the village square, Baba Olonjo, the eldest man, warned the villagers of a coming drought. He held a carved staff surrounded by villagers sitting on wooden stool under a big tree. The young men argue about what to do. Some want to fetch water from faraway land, others want to build a well. The argument grows intense, showing lack of unity. In a dimly light clay shrine, the Babalawo diviner throws cowries. He tells the chief, only unity and sacrifice will save the village. Iya Morenike, a respected market woman, speaks at the village meeting. She tells the story of how the ancestors survived by working together, everyone listening in silence. The villagers, in unity, start digging a large well at the center of the village. Young men dig, women sing traditional work song and bring food. As the last shovel of soil is removed, dark clouds gather. The villagers dance in joy as heavy rain finally pours, soaking the red earth. A celebration erupts. Drummers beat talking drums. Women dance in hadaya. Children laugh and play. The village is alive with joy. The elder names the new well Kanga Ajose, the well of unity, and all pour libation with palm wine, praying to the gods. The village become more united. The storyteller, a young boy, narrates the tale to a new generation under the moonlight, beside a flickering fire.